Hey guys, welcome to the video. I'm going to be talking about some Sephora's favorites that I really think you should look into and possibly purchase, but of course that's up to you. I will have everything linked below for you guys if you do want to purchase through my link. I appreciate it so much. It is an affiliate link, but yeah, if you guys are into these types of videos, because your girl hasn't done a Sephora's favorites video in a hot minute, probably since 2021, not even gonna lie. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know you like these. If you want to know more sales and new makeup and all of the things, let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. And don't forget to enter my huge giveaway. I'm giving away so much. It's my biggest giveaway yet, and I am constantly adding more products. I will have that video to enter linked down below. And let's just go ahead and get started. So, our first Sephora's Favorites kit is called Give Me Some Shine Lip Set. This is only $35. Now let me tell you what you get in this Sephora's Favorites set. You get some good stuff, lots of full size. So as an overview, we have a one size, full size lip liner. We have a full size Tower 28 lip. We have a full-size Charlotte Tilbury lip, and we have a full-size Laneige product. The other two from Givenchy and NARS, those are going to be deluxe sizes, but still, you're getting a heck of a deal, okay? So we have one size by Patrick Starr Lip Snatcher Waterproof Precision Lip Liner in the shade Out of Line, which is a soft matte mauve. So let's just go ahead and for funsies, go and check out how much this costs and if you're getting a good deal by getting it in this Sephora set, or it'd be better just to purchase it on its own. We all know it's just not, that's not a thing. So the waterproof precision lip liner retails for $14 for the full size, which is insane. And out of 265 reviews, it's almost 5 stars. So it must be pretty good. And I really haven't heard much about waterproof lip liners, but you got me interested because if it's waterproof, it's kiss proof. You know what I'm saying? So love that. That's an interesting product. So then we also have the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. And this is in the shade Berry. Let's go ahead and check out how much this costs because this is a full-size product. Laneige is known for their lip products and we love it. This is $18. Wow. $18 for this lip oil. So far we're really almost to $35 just for 2 products. So we love to see that. Now let's take a look at Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in Pillow Talk, which I do own, absolutely love. It's like the most staple of anything Charlotte Tilbury, and alone these are $38. So if you've ever wanted to try Pillow Talk, you can either pay $38 for the full size or $25 for the deluxe, or you can spend $3 less, get the full size, and get a bunch of other lip products. That's up to you. This is the best Sephora's favorite set I've seen in a very long time. Like a very long time. That's why I'm so excited about this, and I actually want to talk about it because it's so good. Then we have the Tower 28 Beauty Shine On Lip Jelly Non-Sticky Gloss in the shade Sesame, which is a semi-sheer milky mauve. If I am being completely honest, which I always am, I don't like Tower 28's lip jellies. I don't like the flavor on my lips. I can taste it. It's not good, but it is $16 retail, so some people love it. I just don't, okay? Don't hate me. Then we have a NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in Dragon Girl, which is a candy apple red, which is Another one of the best red shades you could probably get. I really like NARS. They have great lippity sticks. And there's Power Matte. I'm not seeing it, but I assume it's $26. That's how much the regular NARS lipstick is. Or it could be $34, I'm not sure. But either way, you're getting a heck of a deal, okay? You're getting a heck of a deal. And then we have the Givenchy Rose Perfecto Lip Balm 24-hour hydration in 001 Pink Irresistible, which is a transparent pink custom to your pH, which that's festive. Oh, and by the way, the NARS lipstick I was just talking about is a deluxe size, so you're not getting like the full price. The full price for the Givenchy is $38, but it's a deluxe. But either way, you're getting a really good deal. So this is the first Sephora's Favorites kit I wanted to talk about. We also have another one that I'm just like, this is really good. This is the Sephora's Favorites Gleamy Dreamy makeup set for $49. So just an overall quickie. We have a Patrick Tall, which is full size. We have a Lawless, which is full size. Summer Fridays, which is full size. And everything else in here are deluxe sizes. But either way, $49 with $117 worth of value is still really good. So we have a squalene, okay, so Lawless Make Me Blush Talc Free Velvet Blush in Indian Summer, which is a medium tawny rose. This is full size. Love that so much. Do we care about the prices really? I mean, the value is $117. You're getting a heck of a deal. Then we have the Milk Makeup Matte Cream Bronzer Stick in Baked, which is a medium bronze. Oh, this is a full size. I didn't even see that. So the Milk Makeup is also a full size. Love that. The Patrick Ta Major Volume Plumping Lip Gloss in 2 cc's, which is pink, is full size. Girl. Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Vanilla Beige is a full size. Love that as well. I've heard really good things about that. Really good things. And then we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Extreme Hold Eliminated Look Sculpting Wax. I love this product. This is a deluxe, and you really just kind of need a deluxe. You don't need the full size. I've been using the full size for a while, and I still have a lot left, okay? I still have a lot in there. I recently started using it because I never understood how to use it, and now that I know how to use it, it is really good. So, perfect time to try that product out in this kit. Then we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrop Serum, which we love that. We get it in subscription boxes all the time, and it's a really good product. We also have Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez, Always an Optimist 4-in-1 Mist. That's exciting. And then Ilia Limitless Lash Lengthening Clean Mascara in After Midnight, which is a black. So that's everything coming in this set, and for $49, it's a steal. It is an absolute steal, okay? Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you plan on picking any of these up? I highly, highly, highly recommend Give Me Some Shine Lip Set if you're to buy anything. And I really like the Gleamy Dreamy Makeup Set kit as well. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Love you so much. And if you purchase through my link, let me know down below because I'll love you even more. And yeah, thank you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!